Osaka look like. Very efficient train. So we need trains like this in all major cities. So it will be very easy for commuters to travel to different locations within the city. Finally, I have found waffles, Belgian waffle, fresh baked Belgian waffle, which I was looking for from past 3-4 days. Belgian mannequin waffle, see. So I will take this almond. This is very nice, and also caramel. So other options are also available. Plain is also available, but caramel is excellent. And maple is also there. So I will take this. So and I can have more for my breakfast. So till now I didn't eat anything except small donuts. I will take 2 almond waffles. So it is 180 each. So it is 360. I have exact change. I will give here. I have to put in this tray, and she will give in a carry bag. So see how they are giving change back to the customers. So and giving in carry bag. So they are 360 taken. They have given exact change. So receipt. So the receipt. I don't need receipt. She's giving me all 2 waffles, almond waffles. So 2 women, 2 ladies preparing waffles, fresh waffles in the store. So they are very tasty. I have tasted once. It was very good. This is Osaka skyline near Osaka Castle. From here, castle is 1.5 kilometers. So we can see all trains, loop lines and other metro trains. So this is Osaka Joken station. So from here it is 1.5 kilometers. I just record 360 degrees view at this beautiful railway station, train station. So it's busy because everyone is getting off here to go to Osaka Castle. See, you can see castle in the background. It looks a bit closer, but it is 1.5 kilometers. So I have to walk or I have to take a taxi. Taxi is 800 yen, so it's better morning walk like 1.5 kilometers. So written I can see. So this is Osaka highway in the Osaka city. So you see the buildings, they are excellent, beautiful. No dust, no pollution, and the glasses are anywhere on the buildings. So Osaka is very big city. I am taking a ticket to road bus from here to castle. This is 400. Yeah. Japanese people are very much interested to play baseball, you can see. So this is the baseball game. I don't know the rules and regulations in baseball, so I never watch it. So you can see Osaka Castle behind. You can see all the buildings. So this is the dome. So nice buildings. So I have taken a ticket for red and blue line buses. So it is just a loop. It is a short trip here. So it is 1000 yen. So I am waiting here. So next trip is at 11:40. 11:10 trip is full. So I have to wait till 11:40. So there is no option. Otherwise I have to walk 1.5 kilometers up and again 1.5 kilometers down, which I am not interested to do because I have to visit several places today. And today is the last day in Japan, last day in Osaka. So tonight I am going to Hawaii from Kansai International Airport. So another airport. So I have seen Narita Airport and Haneda Airport. So now is the third airport I am visiting today. So this is Kansai International Airport in Osaka. So let me enjoy baseball for some time. See the public toilets. So for ladies and gents, excellent. They are very neat. So this is near close to Osaka Castle. So trains are coming and going, leaving. My bus or train will come at 11:40. So I have to wait till 11:40. People are enjoying during the weekend. Today is Sunday, 6th of April 2025. So I live here today in the night and I go to Hawaii, US. So still I start here at 10:10. My flight. I still reach Hawaii at 6 o'clock. Sorry, 6th of April, because it is one day late compared to Japan. So time difference is 19 hours. So that's why I reach it on 6th of April. I will take this train now. I've been waiting from past 30 minutes for this train. So this is, I think, red line. So this will go as a loop and again come back here. From here I can take blue line. So this is the road train I am taking now. Train has started. Road train. So one train is ready to waiting there to come here. So this is going inside, going to Delhi. You can see sakura flowers blooming. Nice garden with big trees. Japanese gardens are very famous. Even in US also, they have Japanese gardens in California, San Francisco, and other places. I have not visited, but plan to visit once. Sakura. Even Japanese like sakura. Osaka skyline. So there is a place called Dontoburi. So that is place Osaka's business district is there. So after this castle, I will visit that Dontoburi and Umeda and Namba. So if any other place, so visit Dontoburi and I go to my hotel. Before I will eat lunch at Indian restaurant and then go to hotel, take rest, and again I will come and visit tour Osaka city till evening 5:30. Sakura everywhere. It is the season. See red color, full bright red. So mostly we see light pink, but this is bright red, looking excellent. So that's why even Japanese people are enjoying day out, because today is Sunday, so day off for them. So they are enjoying their sakura with their families, their friends. See sakura, red, bright red, light yellow, light pink, sorry. Sakura everywhere. See the big tree, big sakura. Other trees we can't see blooming. Only those trees are all only blooming. See Osaka Castle. So from close shot. So this is the tallest castle in Japan. So its height is 32 meters. So this is the tallest. So we can go up.
Please get off at this stop. You can get the train from here.
See the rush today because it's weekend. So people are flocked to this castle. So if you want to go to the top of the castle, it is 1200 yen. See, we have to walk for maybe kilometer inside itself. It's very long road. I will just see how far I can go and come, because I'm not interested to go on top. can see Doubletree by Hilton, just close to Castle. So facing Castle. So people might be staying there in the Hilton to enjoy Castle views, because this is number one monument, important monument in Osaka. And this is also tallest castle in Japan, as I said. They're built on big rocks, you can see it at the bottom. Here I can easily a nice view. I'm just sitting under the trees from past 15 to 20 minutes. So just watching the people nearby and mainly castle view. This is excellent view. This is the closest view. If you want to go up, it is 1200 yen. We have to take tickets. I don't know, there may be a queue, or if you want to visit, we can advance book online, then book the tickets in advance online. So that would be better instead of waiting in the queue. So this is closest castle view. I can go. You can see full sakura trees, flowers, and all big towers, buildings, hotels, residence offices, and the Doubletree by Hilton, big hotel. So people are enjoying in the garden under trees. So it is a blooming time. It is spring season, starting of spring season. Cherry blossoms, again same place. So I am going by road train. So return to the starting point. So this is a road train. I just got down this from road train. So I was traveling with two Australian women, mother and daughter. So they are doing cruise. They are from Perth, Western Australia. So I had just chit chat with them for 10 minutes, and then I am now ready to go back to Osaka Joe Station. So people are again queuing here for the next trip. So, but I have done. See the rush during the weekend in Osaka. So I have to go to platform 2 now. So to take a loop line. So now I am going to Dotonbori. So I have to change 2 trains. So now I am going to platform 2. So from there I take loop line to Tennoji. From there I take another train. So let me update you. This is Osaka Joken Station. I am waiting for the train in the track platform. So I have to go to Tennoji. This is platform 2. So this is a loop line. So, loop line means it goes around central Osaka, like Yamanote line in Tokyo. This is very best efficient. This is Osaka loop line, JR. Now I am going towards Tennoji, Tsuruhasa. From there I have to take change train and ride 3 stops to go to Dotonbori. I will show you now how to recharge Suica card. So this is my Suica card. This is my Suica. I will just select a language. Here English. I have selected English. So then purchase ticket no, purchase platform ticket no, charge, check history. So I have to put here my Suica card. So you can see IC card there, and then balance it is showing as 462. So I have to charge by cash. We can also do charge by card. So until the melody sounds, please do not take the IC card. Yes. So I want to charge like 1000. So then after amount, so it will become 462. So I have to put. I have to select. I am not selecting charge without receipt. I no need receipt. So then I have to put money here. See, the light is blinking. Yeah. Now it is taking. So amount charge has been completed. Now I can take my IC card. Yeah, that's it. So I am taking this train to platform 2 from platform 2. So 3 stops I have to ride. Then I can walk to Dotonbori. This is the area near Dotonbori. Dotonbori is a commercial business district in Osaka. So very famous, and it is like very commercial, very busy. Dotonbori. So I am going towards Dotonbori. This is close to Dotonbori. So I am waiting for the signal to cross. Pedestrian signal. Yeah. Again is the Osaka station, Nippon-Boshi station. So I think I got down from this station only. So I'm just checking. There is, I can see vegetarian restaurant, vegetarian food. I will check whether it is Indian or anything else. This is one more shopping arcade. So it's weekend. It's very busy everywhere. So you can see underground shops and restaurant street. So I can go underwear. Sorry. Under the street. I'm sorry. I can't find Indian restaurant anywhere, so I have to go back to my hotel. So there only there is an Indian restaurant where I am eating daily dinner. So you can see the street, Osaka street. It is never-ending shopping, never-ending restaurants. So it is never-ending metro, JR line. So everywhere they are very well connected. See, metro, M everywhere. So we can take any lines. So that is the convenience in Japan. So let me go. I have to spend at least some time in my hotel because I have paid like 2,000 rupees for 6-7 hours. So if I room here, so I just am wasting money. So I have to just eat and sleep for rest, take rest for some time because this is never ending. So even 2 days, 3 days is not enough here in Osaka. So let me enter into subway, metro, Osaka metro. So that is the best thing. I can see Midosoji line where my hotel is located. So it shows M20 is a stop. So I think mine is only M22. So only 2 stops if I am not wrong. So I can also go to Namba city. That is another big business district like in Osaka, like Umeda and Dotonbori. You can see straight. I have to go straight for Midosoji line. Excellent. So I don't need to waste any time traveling. Oh, this is connected to Namba station. Excellent. This is Namba. So Midosoji line, M20. So M22 is only 2 stops. So this is my last day in Japan, Osaka. I have enjoyed a lot. I have learned a lot. So their discipline, their trains, their Sakura, the Shinkansen trains. So they have started Shinkansen like 1964. So see how. So now I have to see where I have to go to my metro. Midosoji. Yes, left side Midosoji. You can see Yosubashi line and Midosoji line left side. I have to use my Suka card. So I have to take platform 1. So Namba. So Dobutsin Maye. So the train is there. So I have to rush up. So it's already available. Dobutsi mein. Yeah, I have entered in the train. So it's just 2 stops. I sit here. Got off from this metro. It's only 2 stops. This is going to Nakamuzu, M30. My stop is M22. So which is very close to Namba. That's it. That is going to Shinosaka station. I came from these gates using my Suga card. So now I have to take exit 2. So which is this side. From exit 2, it is only 300 meters my hotel and restaurant. First I go to a restaurant. It's almost like 3 p.m. I didn't have my lunch. And then I go to hotel and check in for just 5. This is the Indian restaurant. I am daily coming. Namaste Lumbini Asian Dining Pansagar. So this is managed by Nepalese, but it's all Indian menu. It's very good, reasonable price. This is lunch set menu for 9:35 p.m. It comes with salad, butter naan, big butter naan, made into pieces, and vegetable curry, and then after that one drink. So it is already 3 o'clock, 3:15. So I will take a tea. Very masala tea. I have taken this room just for 6-7 hours because I have to take rest before going to airport. This is entirely night flight from Osaka to US. So that's why I have taken this. So this is a room, looking good. So with cot, bed, so it's fine. So mini fridge and cupboard. So that is enough to store and stay here for 7-6 hours. ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.